In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix brightness not working in Windows 11. So in case you have a problem where you want to change the brightness inside your Windows 11 and it's not changing at all when you kind of slide this slider to the left or to the right, this is how we can fix it. So the first step would be to actually see if you have the right drivers for your computer. So you can simply check that depending on your computer, but that works only sometimes. However, the guaranteed fix is to update the drivers for your graphics card, okay? And the way you do this, I'm going to show you with NVIDIA graphics card because I have an NVIDIA graphics card. However, if you have AMD or Intel, it's going to be pretty much the same process, just in a different app, okay? So for NVIDIA, you want to open up GeForce Experience on your computer. If you don't have it, you can download it from their official website. And then in here, you want to go to drivers up here next to home. In here, you want to click check for updates. Now this will automatically check for some updates. And if there are updates to your drivers, you will have to click download and it will automatically install those updates for you onto your computer. Now why this happens is because the NVIDIA drivers always try to keep up with the Windows 11 updates. However, sometimes it can happen that it can't keep up because you haven't installed an update, and that's why you can't change the brightness on your computer. Now once you've done that, you want to simply reboot your computer, just restart it, and then once it opens back up, try if your brightness now works, and hopefully it does. And if it does, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.